Okay, you guys, so now that I did the underneath layer, and you can do it, you can hold it a little longer without wrecking your hair and have it really curly, which I've done a couple times, but tonight I didn't want it that curly. So I'm going to use actually a pretty good hairspray. Oh wait, this Root Boost. I'm going to use, go ahead and use Bedhead. Use a pretty good hairspray, but make sure that it leaves it flexible. I'm sure we don't want any stiff hold. So just really lightly spray it just to keep them in there. Because if your hair's like mine, those curls would have fallen out in a minute. All right, then we're going to do the top. So now when we do this top, I'm going to go ahead and let it part where it would. Keep your bangs out. Sorry guys, I'm trying to look in the monitor and in the mirror at the same time. And part it off from where you normally would. Don't part it exactly where you would normally part it. And this time, I'm going to go ahead and do it right side up with the thing on top for the top layer. And I'm not going to do it for very long because I don't want the top layer really curly. And this is something I'm just learning. Okay, see how quickly that works? And then do the back and the back and the other side. I'll turn you off again and come back.